today. I need my best swimsuit today. Oh. This one is perfect. Slow down, Mia. I'm too excited, Mom. Can we go now, please? Yes, let's go! Today is beach day. I love the beach. My favorite swimsuit.
Eat well, my dear.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, sweetie.
Can we go to the beach today? Yes, we can. Don't forget my ball! I have it! Bye, house! See you later! The beach is my favorite place. I'm ready now. Is it far to the beach? Not too far. I see the bus. Look, Mom, the ocean. Almost there. So many people. Finally, we're here. Go find a nice spot. Okay, Mom. This spot is the best.
Oh, yes, it is.
She picked a winner. This is a good spot. That swimsuit looks old. It's still my favorite. This is fun, I guess. She has a nice ball. That's my ball. But I found it. Oh, be more careful next time. Sorry. She didn't say thank you. That felt bad. This will cheer me up. Playing alone isn't fun. Wow, that castle is cool. Hello. Hi. How did you make the towers? With a little help and a lot of practice. I used this little cup. Watch. Wow, that's amazing. Can I help you build it? Yes, of course. Sit here. This is actually really fun. I told you! it looks like a real castle. Wow, look at it. It's perfect. Wave, look out! It's completely gone. That was so silly. Let's build a bigger one over there. Or, let's go swimming first. All right, let's go. Race you there. Hey, no fair! Careful, it's deeper here. I see it. Take that! Hey! Now you! Wait, what's that? What is it? Ow! Come, let's sit down. A small crab did that. It's not serious. Thank you, Lily. It's just a little red. You're okay. That crab scared me. It happens to everyone. Do you want some lunch? Oh, Lily, thank you so much. My mom makes the best sandwiches. Try these. They're my favorite. Wow, thank you. My mom and I do everything together. That sounds really nice. I have a big house, but I'm often alone. I'm sorry to hear that. What is your house like? It's small, but very cozy. Will you be my friend, Lily? Of course, Mia. Look at this one. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm keeping it. Good idea, it's perfect. It's so pretty. The best part of the day. Mia, time to go home. Lily. We need to leave now. Let's meet here again next week. I promise I'll be here. Bye, Lily. See you soon. Bye, Mia. Thank you for today. I made a wonderful new friend. Today was the best beach day ever. See you soon, Lily.